Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best pet chicken coop is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your feathered friends, offering them a safe, comfortable, and stimulating environment to thrive in, which is why choosing the right one requires careful consideration of various factors to ensure it meets both your chicken's needs and your own expectations for durability, ease of maintenance, and aesthetic appeal, ultimately contributing to the overall health and happiness of your flock. Number 5. Manna Pro Fresh Flakes Pine Shavings. Introducing Manna Pro Fresh Flakes, your all-natural solution for chicken coop bedding. Made from compostable pine shavings, it's the perfect choice for a clean and healthy coop. Say goodbye to dusty coops. Our pine shavings are specially processed to be low dust, ensuring a comfortable environment for your flock. These shavings are ultra-absorbent, thanks to their low moisture content. This means they effectively soak up moisture, keeping your coop drier and fresher. Not only are they great for your chickens, but they're also good for the environment. Our pine shavings are fully compostable, making cleanup easy and eco-friendly. Choose Manna Pro Fresh Flakes for a natural, low-dust, and absorbent bedding solution. It's the simple way to maintain a healthy and clean environment for your beloved hens. What we like? If you're looking for a natural and safe bedding option, this is it. Its low dust content is great for your chicken's respiratory health. Choose this if you prioritize absorbency and easy composting. What people say. The coop is easy to assemble and clean. The nesting box is spacious and provides a comfortable place for the chickens to lay eggs. The run is large enough for the chickens to roam and play freely. Number 4. Joyprotyn 5LB Non-GMO Dried Black Soldier Fly Larvae. Give your flock the ultimate calcium boost. Our grubs offer 85 times more calcium than mealworms, promoting stronger eggshells and healthier bones for your laying hens. Packed with 43% protein, our feed provides twice the protein of typical chicken feed. This supports muscle development, vibrant plumage, and sustained egg production. Choose a feed that's good for your animals and the planet. Our grubs are sustainably raised, reducing food waste and methane emissions for a lower carbon footprint. This nutrient-rich powder isn't just for chickens. It's a versatile feed additive suitable for poultry, birds, reptiles, and even aquarium fish. Simply adjust as needed for a balanced diet. Our advanced production ensures a nutritious grub that retains its natural flavor and offers a satisfying, crispy texture your animals will love. We stand by our premium feed. If you're not completely satisfied with your 5LB bag, our customer service team is ready to ensure you have a positive experience. What we like? For hens that need a calcium boost for strong eggshells, this is the perfect choice. It's also packed with protein for healthy growth and feather development. If you want a sustainable and nutrient-rich feed supplement, consider this. What people say. The coop is spacious and well ventilated, providing ample room for my chickens to roam and roost comfortably. The predator-proof design with sturdy latches and reinforced wire mesh gives me peace of mind knowing my flock is safe. Assembly was straightforward, and the included instructions were clear and easy to follow, allowing me to set up the coop in under an hour. Number 3. Magshion 45.5-inch Folding Chicken Coop Rabbit Hutch. Introducing a versatile enclosure perfect for your small animals. It serves as a cozy coop extension or a dedicated bunny house, offering ample space for play and rest. Crafted from good quality pine wood, this hutch is built to last. The sturdy construction and heavy-duty wire mesh ensure your pets are safe from predators. Designed for outdoor use, it features a natural pine wood frame with predator-resistant latches and weatherproof wire mesh. This provides a safe and secure free-range environment for your pets. Forget about complicated assembly. This coop folds up easily for convenient storage. Its built-in handle allows you to effortlessly move it between indoor and outdoor spaces. This ventilated enclosure offers a spacious habitat for your pets to walk and run freely. It allows for easy viewing without causing any disturbance to their activities. Maintenance is a breeze with its accessible design. The top section and side door can be opened, making routine feeding, cleaning, and pet access simple and convenient. What we like? If you need a convenient and versatile coop that's easy to move and store, this is for you. Its no assembly design means you can set it up in minutes. This is ideal if you like to offer your small pets a safe outdoor space without a permanent structure. What people say. The coop is easy to assemble and clean. It has a large run area that provides plenty of space for the chickens to roam. The nesting box is spacious and keeps the eggs clean and safe. Number 2. New Age Pet ECOFLEX Fontana Chicken Coop. Crafted from a unique blend of recycled polymers and wood fiber, this coop offers superior resistance to moisture, odors, and scratches. It's built to last, providing a safe and clean environment for your flock. Enjoy convenient egg collection with the easy-access nesting box. Inside, dual roosting bars and built-in vents ensure your chickens stay comfortable and happy. You can even expand their space with an optional coordinating pen. Designed to comfortably house 2 to 3 chickens, this coop provides ample interior space without taking up too much of your backyard. It's the ideal size for a small flock. Setting up your new coop is a breeze. The modular panels connect quickly and easily, requiring no tools for assembly. You'll have it ready for your chickens in minutes. We stand behind the quality of our product with a 10-year warranty. Designed and supported in the US, it's 100% pet approved for your peace of mind. What we like? If you're looking for a long-lasting and low-maintenance coop, this is a great option. Its eco-friendly materials resist moisture and odors. Choose this if you value easy assembly and convenient egg collection for a small flock. What people say? The coop is easy to assemble and clean. The chickens seem to enjoy the spacious design and the multiple roosting bars. The predator-proof latches provide peace of mind. Number 1. Midwest-grown hemp animal bedding. Discover the natural and sustainable choice for your animal's comfort. Our bedding is made from 100% natural hemp, grown right here in the USA. Experience superior absorbency that locks in moisture and neutralizes odors. It can hold up to 400% of its weight, keeping enclosures cleaner and healthier for longer. Promote your pet's respiratory health with our virtually dust-free formula. It provides excellent insulation, keeping them comfortable in any weather. Save time and money with bedding that lasts 2 to 3 times longer than traditional options. Enjoy fewer changes and a more cost-effective solution. Choose a product that's good for your animals and the planet. It's sustainably grown, carbon negative, and biodegrades easily, contributing to a healthier environment. Perfect for a wide range of animals including horses, chickens, rabbits, reptiles, and cats. It even makes a great soil amendment for your garden. What we like? If you want an incredibly absorbent and odor-controlling bedding that's also environmentally friendly, this is it. Its dust-free nature is excellent for animal respiratory health. This is the best choice if you're looking for a long-lasting, sustainable bedding solution. What people say? The coop is easy to assemble and clean. The nesting box is large enough for multiple eggs. The run is spacious and provides plenty of room for the chickens to roam. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.